So, I've never actually done this before, but each time I open YouTube India, it fucking triggers me. Because YouTube India is basically an ocean of basic bitch humor. It's just a clusterfuck of cheapos trying to earn money by making seemingly relatable content. And the best example of this would be Mostly Sane. So, Mostly Sane is a cringy YouTuber who's basically the CEO of relatability. She makes content for a 12-year-old audience with an equally immature sense of humor and tries a little too hard to be relatable. If you look at her content closely, it's mostly same. It's the same Instagram comedy shit like types of friends, types of laughs, types of neighbors, the usual on the basic bitch menu. Jeez. So, out of a rather extensive catalog of unfunny content, the one that I'm going to react to is types of laughs because I laugh too and that should be relatable. Well, at least that makes one of us who's laughing. So that turned out to be just 6 minutes of her making an ass out of herself. I'm a liberal guy myself and I want to believe that women can be funny, but if Mostly Sane is the one representing women in the comedy field, it's no surprise that men think women aren't funny. So, since the last video turned out to be a complete disaster, I guess I'll have to react to another video of hers called Types of Naps because I take naps too, and at least that should be relatable.
अच्छा सुनो, सब्सक्राइब करते वक्त ना घंटी बजा देना ताकि जब मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ तो तुम्हारे फ़ोन की भी घंटी बजे.
Jesus Christ. Mostly, for the love of God, stop begging in the beginning of the video itself. You have 5.5 million subscribers. How many more do you fucking need? There aren't any more 12-year-old girls left in India.
लॉकडाउन के बाद जब कोई तुमसे पूछेगा ना कि बेटा लॉकडाउन में क्या किया, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू गोना से, मैं तो बोलूंगी कि आंटी मैंने हर 2 घंटे
मास्क बेट
लिया बिकॉज पिछले 4 महीने से जो लगातार मैं जोर जोर से नैप पे नैप लिए जा रही हूँ ना कि आई हैव रियलाइज्ड डिफरेंट टाइप्स नैप टाइप्स
See, this is the kind of shit that I'm talking about. By the way that she's talking to you, you already can figure out what her target audience is. It's basically kids that she makes money off. I think it's safe to say that she's basically a B grade Lily Singh, even worse.
So here are a few observations that I made. Here are types of naps. Let's go.
Keep your face away from me, please. Wow, what a creative intro. But before this video even begins, let me guess what it is going to be like. So, going by the basic bitch guide, I think that she'll pick up any bullshit random factor like the weather, food, work, and whether that factor be good or bad, she's still going to yawn and take a nap and say, oh, it's this kind of nap, oh, it's that kind of nap.
क्या मौसम हो रहा है यार, मस्ट टेक अ नैप वाला नैप. क्या बकवास मौसम है यार, फक मैं सोने जा रही हूँ. 3 बर्तन धो लिए यार, मस्ट टेक अ नैप. कुछ ज्यादा ही खा लिया यार, थोड़ी देर के लिए सो जाती हूँ.
I guess I was right. What a big fucking surprise.
45 मिनट्स हो गए. चल 15 मिनट सो के 1 घंटा फिनिश कर देते हैं. 45 मिनट्स हो गए. चल 15 मिनट सो के 1 घंटा फिनिश कर देते हैं.
So, in the mind of Mostly, this cheap math logic was so damn funny that she just had to put it in twice. By the way, it's pretty evident that this is the same logic she applies to her content. Oh, I just have content worth of 30 seconds, but let me add 5 minutes of unnecessary pandering and call it a video.
वर्कआउट करना है पर वर्कआउट से पहले थोड़ा मसल्स को रिलैक्स करती हूँ, नैप ले लेती हूँ.
Christ, what are you, fucking Nobita?
अब यार फिर से मेडिटेशन करते हुए सो गई.
Yeah, that happens to me all the time. By the way, what the fuck kind of workout clothes are you even wearing?
नहीं उससे तो मैं नहीं मैं निपटती हूँ उससे. नहीं नो 1 सेकेंड, आई कैन टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. ओके ठीक है, मैं निपटती हूँ उससे. मेरे को 15 मिनट.
Why? What are you going to do? Torture someone by forcing them to watch your video?
गुस्सा शांत करने वाला नैप, द अनकंफर्टेबल नैप,
Max relatability.
हाँ द कंफर्टेबल नैप.
Well, what about the kind of naps that your audience takes after watching such boring content?
हाँ बोलना, सुन रही हूँ मैं. वो एक्चुअली सुबह से बहुत टायर्ड हूँ यार, बट बोलना, आई एम लिसनिंग टू यू. सोने की एक्टिंग करती हूँ तो उनको पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये जो फोन पे बात कर रही है ना, मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. ब्योमकेश बख्शी के बाद मैं ही हूँ.
Mostly, I'm gonna keep it real with you. You ran out of content 20 years ago, so stop trying to milk 30-second videos for the views of poor kids online. It's not going to get you very far. And honestly, it was pretty painful for me to watch you fail not once but twice at trying to make relatable content on the two actions that every single human being on this planet shares. So maybe this isn't for you. So, all in all, her bland, generic, repetitive content is as unnecessary as it is unfunny. And in conclusion, she's mostly lame.
मोमो के साथ आने वाले लाल चटनी की कसम, किसी वीडियो का कंटेंट ना इतना इतना मन से नहीं निकला है बाहर जितना इस वीडियो का निकला है. वो क्या है ना, आता है.
Unfunny videos banana?
मुझे आता है. पर है, ये था इस हफ्ते का वीडियो. आई रियली होप यू एंजॉयड इट.
No.
आई होप यू रिलेटेड टू इट.
No.
क्योंकि अगर वैसा नहीं है तो फिर आई हैव सीरियस इश्यूज इन लाइफ दैट नीड टू बी एड्रेस्ड.
Holy fuck, yes.